So for EURNZD, you can literally see that I had just 3 setups on this particular asset in the last weeks, only, nothing more, because I genuinely believe that less is more when it comes to trading. All right, guys. So on EURNZD, on the weekly time frame, we can see pretty much the same thing happening, the same thing that we saw on Euro had happening. We can see this rejection over here, this weekly on this weekly level happening over here, and then moving further back towards the left hand side to see if it has previously happened before. All right. So we can see how it has literally happened before. I always tell my students this: nothing really new is happening on the charts, just the same thing over and over and over and over again. So if you're out here looking for something new, you're probably just wasting your time when you should be taking advantage of what is already, established in the market and using that in your favor. So on the weekly time frame, we can see that area over there, our area of interest over there on the weekly time frame, and over here on the weekly time frame as well, we can see this area of previously this area of previous resistance now turned demand area, right? So we may see price coming to retest that during the course of the week. Moving on for that to the daily time frame, so that we don't waste anybody's time, we can see the rejection a whole lot more clearly. So on the daily time frame, we can see the rejection a whole lot more clearly compared to the weekly time frame, right? We can see our price was literally strongly rejected with this bearish candle over here after we had this week after price gassed out over here, like I like to say, right? You gassed out on this weekly level over here, and then the following day we had a total bear takeover, right? And then over here as well, we see our price continue to push further towards the downside, looking as though it is coming to retest this weekly area over here. But then on the daily level, I can see this bit of price action going on around here, so I'd like to pay attention to it. Hopefully moving further down to the lower time frame, it would make a lot more sense. So let's just go ahead and mark that out. So we have this area, so we may see price coming to retest this area before it heads towards this area, and then we can see price continue on its bull run, because obviously it's undeniable that price is currently bullish. But every LD move in the financial market literally always needs a pullback at some point, right? It is LD for the market to pull back so that it can create opportunities for other market participants to get into the market and get involved, right? Because literally there are like millions of orders in the market at the top and at the bottom of the market. So every single order has to be executed, right? So it is LD for the market to pull back, maybe towards this area or even towards the trend line area before it continues on its journey towards the moon. Whichever way, like I always say, I don't try to predict the market. I just go with the market, go with the flow, and take whatever the market gives me and exit, right? I'm in the market to make money, not to become a guru or be that guy who prophesies, 1.10 is coming for EURNZD. I'm not here for that. I'm just here to, make money, take as many people that I can with me on that journey where I make money. Literally, that's it. Educate people, make my own money, show people what I'm doing for free, and then, that's pretty much it. So on the daily time frame, we can see that happening. Moving further down to the 4-hour time frame, so that we don't waste anybody's time. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see how this sales is literally gone. So literally, there's no way you can get in on this sale right now, except I pulls back to a reasonable LD level. So on the 4-hour time frame, the first thing I'm seeing over here is our price kind of like reacted around here, right? Pretty much a lot of price action going on around there. Now, by the way, if you guys have any question, please do not hesitate to let me know in the comment section. If you don't understand anything that I'm doing on this chart, don't hesitate to reach out to me in the comment section. I'm always there responding to as many people as I can as soon as I see them. This is my game plan. This is what I'm expecting. So for me to even consider taking any buys at all, I'll be looking to take buys maybe around here, depending on what price action is. Over here would be an area of interest for me to take buys, and over here would also be an area of interest for me to take a buy position on this particular price chart, right? Again, depending on price action, because you already know that my entry strategy is basically focused on price action and what I see on the lower time frame, talking about like. But then let's say that in a situation where price doesn't come back to retest both of these areas, then I'll be a lot more interested in taking a buy position when price breaks above this area. Now, I know you might be thinking, but how far? Price is literally at a premium on this side. Yes, it kind of looks like that. But then if you look at this chart very clearly, you would literally see that this is pretty much the area where the buyers started losing control of the market, right? Over here was the first time bears stepped into this market with this very strong bearish engulfing back, and they pushed price down to this area until they were able to regain control of this market, and then they pushed price up above this area until it kind of approached the weekly level over here, and then caused price to dump towards this area where bears first took control of this market, and then they tried to take back this side again, but then it did not work. Bears continued over here as well. They tried, the bears continued. So now I'll be a lot more confident to take this trade in a situation where the bulls are able to clear up above these areas where the bears is literally had advantage. And then if they can break above that area with a very strong candlestick formation, then I'll be looking to take the retest towards this area over here, right? So that's what I'll be looking out for if at all I am supposed to take a buy on this particular asset. So sorry if my chart looks messy right now. I'm going to go ahead and clear that. You all know I don't like rough charts, but then I have to explain to you people so that you understand what exactly I'm looking out for. I pretty much have this feeling that I pretty much I'm expecting price to continue to drip towards this area. I pretty much expect price to continue to push down towards this area over here before we have that turn around towards the towards the upside, or even towards this area over here, right? We can see price push further down towards here before it goes on its journey to the moon. But again, I'm not trying to predict what would happen. I'm just trying to plan ahead for every possible scenario of what may happen here on this particular price chart, right? That's what I'm looking forward to see on this, on these assets. Maybe take a buy over here or over here, and then when price breaks above here, that'll be an entirely different setup. And of course, you can trust me to give you all updates on that. So anyways, to receive live updates as I get into this trade, free signals and all, go ahead and join the Telegram community, linked in the description below. Also guys, if you're enjoying this video, please leave a like to support the channel and encourage me as well, such that I know that you guys are enjoying the video and I continue to make more videos like this one every Sunday unfailingly, such that everybody is well prepared for the week ahead. So leave a like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to grow this channel to 100 subs. I mean, it's well deserved, right? So please subscribe, leave a like button, leave a comment, tell me what you think, tell me the next video you want to see. If there's something I've said or done that you don't understand, ask me a question in the comment section. I will respond to you as soon as I can, right?